You know, what should I be doing after I eat? Should I fucking mow down on some meat? Some fucking meat? And then play some games? Or should I mow down on some meat on stream and then watch shit? Yeah, Corey got it. Watch shit while we eat. Okay, we got it. That's what I'll be doing then. Aaliyah. Okay, calm. Clap. Hey, you said maybe 2 weeks from now. 2 weeks from now is a possibility. So we're in here making fucking some good ass bacon. So I got a nice piece of bacon here, boys. This is some good shit. Okay, I think this is just getting about done. We got some nice crispy pieces, some not so crispy pieces. You know, some good texture, you know? I'm going to strain out a little bit of this grease because there is a lot in here. Okay, so we got the bacon in here. Oi, hi there. Oh no, him. I can only be here for 15 minutes. Stupid AP test, ha. Hope your testing goes well. Oh, Nigel. I thought Nigel was Aaliyah. Okay, so now we're gonna add the beef. Lit. We might need a bigger pan, guys. Let me get the big pan out. My biggest pan is dirty. I don't know. What should I do, guys? Should I wash the big pan? Or should I just say YOLO it and fucking shove it in here. Should I attempt it in the big pan? Should I attempt it in this pan? Small pan game? Small pan game? We're going small pan, guys. Let's get it. So we got the can here. We're gonna open this shit. Why cook if you're not gonna make a mess? Why cook if we're not gonna make a mess, boys? Let's get it. I'm gonna add a little bit of water. Oh. Okay, so now we gotta mix everything together into a nice little meat soup. Turn this up, and we're gonna have to sit here and let this thing boil out for a little bit. Because I might have added just a tad bit too much water. But hey, why cook if you're not gonna make a mess? Okay, so we're gonna let this boil out for a little bit so it can, what's the word? Okay, like that? Sorry, I had to. So, I'm gonna start adding some, oh fuck, my seasonings and shit now. Some salt. We're going to do some crushed red pepper to make it a little spicy. I forgot onions, or I used all my onions, so we're going to go with some onion powder. And then we're going to go some fresh cracked black pepper. And then, that's it. Now I just gotta add some green beans. Without the mixture of shit. So let me empty this. So we got green beans. And then we gotta start moving shit around. I added a tad bit too much water, so we're just gonna sit here and let this reduce. Reduce was the word I was looking for. Okay, so we're going to start preheating our oven to 425. And then here in a second, while I let this sit here and simmer, or boil, I guess, because those green beans have to get nice and good. Okay. He's pretended like he didn't see my message. What message? Remember when Colt was gone somewhere for vacation? Leaving your house is overrated. Stay home. Let me scroll up quickly. Oh, the whole internet privileges shit. So see how we're letting this shit boil here? That's going to evaporate a lot of that water I added and reduce the sauce. Because we don't want too much funk in the sauce. What about my nose hairs? I need to shave, bro. This shit smells good, though. Okay, so I need to get a pan ready. Right here, boys. We got a nice big old pan. And then what's going to happen is I'm going to throw all of this into here. We're going to do a layer of cheese, a layer of evenly dispersed tater tots, and then another layer of cheese. And then we throw it in the oven at 425 until the tater tots are cooked. Okay, I'm going to lower it down to low and just let this shit simmer away. I do want to taste it though. Because you got to taste your food during the cooking process so you can tell whether or not you need more seasoning. I never said I was the best cook, okay? I might add a little bit more onion powder. A little bit more. And probably some salt and pepper. I wish I had fucking some spicy seasonings that weren't red pepper flakes, because I should have cooked the red pepper flakes in with the beef, so they would have spiced up the beef. But, you know, me being a Pepega 3-head person, you know, I just didn't. Because now that it's just in the sauce, it's just kind of sitting there. And if I get like a flake, it's going to be spicy. But it didn't extract the spiciness into the meat or any of the sauce, which is what I was expecting. I'm sure if I added enough, it would be fine. But see, we're getting some nice. It's still a little runny, a little bit longer. The way you can tell if something's runny or your consistency is you can take your spatula and run it down the center of the pan. You can see your sauce and how liquidy it is. So let's start reading some messages. Okay. Scroll up, hippie. Sub to my only... Oh my gosh. So yeah, someone actually made like... What? 68 folders of Belle Delphine shit. Why? I mean... I'm sure a lot of guys find her attractive, so what do you expect? She put a bunch of lewd shit online. People are gonna save it. That's why people say don't post shit online. Because your shit's gonna get taken and stored. Finding attractive equals simp. Okay. I'm gonna say we're good because when I let it rest with the cheese and shit, it's gonna be even better. So I want to make it to where you guys can see the pan. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and throw all the shit in here. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put this back over here. Spatula, we're gonna use to spread out the meat mixture. Aaliyah's favorite meat mixture. Aaliyah's had this before and thought it was okay, so she can't say too much shit. So, we're gonna get the cheese. I already dyed with all my night gear. So a nice layer of cheese on this. And then we're going to use the cheese as a bed for the tater tots. Cheese masks all bad flavors. You gotta remember that. If you think something tastes too bad or just not good, throw a fucking pound of cheese on it. I'm not using that for this reason. This shit's bomb. But cheese makes things better. It hides bad flavors and enhances good flavor. So now, we're gonna get our trusty fucking tater tots. Golden. You gotta buy the golden ones. Slice this bag open. And you gotta lay them nice and evenly on top. You do them one at a time. Just like this. Nice, cute little bed of all the tater tot people. You know, just... This, not worthy. Yeet. You gotta have full golden tater tots. Not those shitty half broken tater tots. Fuck that shit. We're going class. Straight luxury style. Perfectly uniform tater tots. Fuck. This one touched the floor. Yeet. No one cares about that one. This might take a while, but hey, it's worth it. Is Gunner in here? He hasn't said anything. I need to ask... Oh, it's too late now. I was going to ask him to bring over an onion and be my cameraman, but he didn't reply. Fucking tater tot casserole. See, this part would be Aaliyah's job. Making cute little rows of tater tots. What are people saying? Damn Sims. Back away. Fuck damn Sims. I shut my shop. Hey, check my Discord my Discord profit. I'm the simp fucker. Listen, we are very busy dealing with Simpston. Oh. Yeah, Gunnar, I was asking if you wanted to come over and be the cameraman and bring me an onion, but you weren't here. Look, what? This is not... Fuck you, Tater Tot. I already told you, you're not getting in here unless you're pristine. You have to be pristine topped. You gonna fucking yeet that... These are two pristine tots attached to each other. That's how you know they're going. They were bred together. They're going out together. Okay, so here's one of the most annoying parts about a tater tot casserole. Is this last row is too small. So you have to lay them the opposite direction. It can't be perfect. So you gotta lay these ones sideways instead of vertically. There we go, boys. That was pretty much all of my tater tots too. So we got the tater tots nice and lined out. Look at that shit. Perfect. All pristine. Rock in English is also rock. So we got to add a nice little cheese bed or cheese blanket. Nice little cheese blanket for the nice cozy fucking straight up and down tater tots. Bring all of the cheese off of the pan and into it. There we go, boys. How long do these tater tots say to cook? At 450. Okay. It says 25 minutes. That's kind of worrying. The reason why it's worrying, because that shit's gonna be fire, bro.